there?
Well, cameraman Ian, what I'm trying to do is cop this new spooky pack that Nike and Off-White are doing. They're sneakers. I pretend to be cameraman Ian because he's not here for the bit.
I bet you're not gonna get them.
No, don't say that.
No, I'm serious. I bet you're not gonna get them. I'm serious. I bet you will not get them.
I just don't understand why you have to be such a cock, you know?
Because you're an asshole.
Hey, you don't say that! Wow!
I'm cameraman Ian and I'm dying. I guess we can't be in the rest of the video.
Oh no, it's so sad that you're dying. We had to kill him off.
I'm still not dead yet.
Okay.
I'm still dying here.
Alright, thank you. Now we had to kill him off. Not worth the time making those bits. You know what I mean? Anyway, let us continue copying these shoes. Oh, fuck! So I didn't get them. But let this be a lesson to not get mad when you don't get something you want, even though that fat kid down the street gets whatever he wants because his parents feel sad for him. Let this be a lesson that sometimes, boys, you gotta lose to get the pussy. You don't always gotta win to get the pussy. That nice soaking wet straight out the bath pussy cat that you won court ordered when you broke up with your girlfriend. See, you broke up with your girl, you lost. You still got the pussy cat. However, we're not talking about cats today, boys. We're talking about this sneakers right here. How many of y'all were lucky to get them? Oh, you did? Can I have them or... please? Actually, you know what? I don't need them because we're making them today, boys. Because of course y'all know the name brand found's real strong. We're making the game the greatest of all time. Now today I'll show you guys I struck out how to actually make this shoe. But before I do that, I want to say if you guys get this video 1,500 thumbs up down below, I'm gonna shave this beautiful head of hair of mine. I'm gonna shave it off. Please, just do it. You guys have been slacking on the 1,500 thumbs up to make this happen. It's gonna be funny. Alright, let's sweeten the deal a little bit. 1,500 thumbs up within the day on this video. I'll tattoo a little mini penis on the back of my head. I swear to God, I'll do it. I'm gonna be the coolest grapper when I'm older and go bald. Also the most pervy, I guess. But hey, we do what we gotta do. Now, this is a shoe right here we're gonna recreate today, boys. It's perfect for Halloween if you want to rock them and wreck them. However, I actually don't have any Nike Blazers in my collection to make into that. So I thought it'd be really dope if we made a Yeezy version of it. These are fake Yeezys right here. I don't actually have any real ones in stock, or else we'd use those definitely because it'd be easier. But kind of going with the theme, we got Nike Off-White custom $10 Yeezys, I think from like Wish or something, and we're gonna make them into the Off-White Nikes, which I think will be super sick. So if you guys want to follow along, you got some fake Yeezys or any shoe at home. Ow! Shoelace just got my eye. Alright, first things first, we're gonna grab a can of orange spray paint. And no, we're not going outside, you fucking boon. We're spray painting inside. Your mom's gonna dig this one. Now let's start by delacing this Yeezy because I actually have orange laces that I have from different Off-White sneakers that we're about to put in here. If you guys know the actual shoe that we're making, that's what they got. Now time lapse is going real fast. Ah, rope burn! I want to catch! Y'all seeing this? What the flippin' fuck? Oh! Alright, so these shoes must have been made by Selena Gomez herself because we got magic going on right now. So I don't know what's going on. It's not going to the black at all. It's just not catching. So we're going to take it outside, I guess. Because I ain't trying to unload a full can of spray paint in my house. So my girl has an excuse to unload a full can of whip ass on me. Okay, so we got our Yeezy here. It's partly orange. Now we're gonna cut the swoosh off of this. Who the fuck am I kidding? Damn it! So that's what came out. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You know, I usually don't think these customs are gonna go super sick, but this is an absolute L! A bigger L than I took today, even trying to get the shoes. I was gonna put this swoosh on here and color it orange. It was gonna be sick. Fuck! But you know what, boys? I was really trying to make this video an actual lesson because I knew that wasn't going to turn out. And I wanted to tell you guys that even if you take the L, like I did on 2 things today, look how I reacted in this situation. Not that bad. So if you guys also didn't cop your shoes, that sucks, but always react to it anyway. We got a sneaker unboxing, I guess. Let's make this video something. Whatever's in here, I have no idea what's in here, but I'll just give it away for wasting y'all's time on an awful custom! Fudge! I don't want to bleep out any more stuff. Anyway, let's open the box. This is chilling with name brand, by the way. This is all gonna be uncut. Ah! Damn it! Ah! This is why I don't use scissors. I already cut the sneaker, but oh, they're Jordans! Oh, sick! but I did cut the box. Sorry guys, whoever's gonna win these. Anyway, I don't know what these came from. I don't know when I would have ordered them. They're size 12? I'm a size 10, 11. Why would I order? Who sent these to me? Anyway, here's a quick little sneaker unboxing by the end of the video. We got, what the hell are these? I should have done the custom on these! Oh, these are sick though. Alright, we got these. What are these? What are they, Jordan 3s or what? Oh, they got a sick little. We should have done the custom on these. I wish I would have opened up the package. But as y'all can see, we got, what are these? Are these a Pure Monies? Okay. Are these from Foot Locker? Foot Locker, if any of you guys are watching, I'm sorry, but I'm giving them away. Anyway, that's our sneaker unboxing today on an awful custom! But you guys like seeing me flip out, so congratulations, I guess you won in that way. It just sucks. Can I just say it sucks not getting what you want? I thought this was going to be a dope custom. Hopefully I have a Photoshop version of how it was supposed to look in the thumbnail. Also, it sucks I haven't gotten any contact from Selena Gomez yet, even though I message her every single day, and she never looks at her messages. Selena, you should probably figure that out. Anyway, here's our... Wow, I'm on edge. I am on edge. Anyway, if y'all want to win these, because they're not even my size, screw you, Foot Locker, actually, dicks. Why y'all about to send me size 12? Sorry if you're wearing earbuds. Woo, okay. Chill out. Anyway, if y'all are size 12 or whatever size you are, you can sell them if you want to. Leave a comment down below for people who have not watched the full video yet. If you want to win these, all you have to say is name brand. This is probably your sickest custom yet. And we're going to trick the people that haven't watched the full video into watching the rest of it. So say name brand. This is literally the sickest custom and make me feel better about the situation because my hands look like pumpkins. Also, please leave a thumbs up down below. And my Instagram's right here. So if you really want to win them, hit me up on Instagram with a message in my DM and I'll pick one of you guys. But thumbs up and also commenting is the best part. I promise I won't get orange on me. I think my hands are already dry. But there's our pickup for today for an awful video. I think I just broke the box. Whoever's getting those, your box is broken too. Appreciate y'all for watching. I flippin' tried. Damn it!